5 AI tools that will save you 10 hours a week. You are spending somewhere between 5 and 15 hours a week on tasks that a computer could handle in about 30 seconds. I'm not exaggerating. I've watched people spend 45 minutes writing a meeting recap that AI would have finished before they could find the right font for the subject line. Today I'm giving you 5 AI tools, not the overhyped garbage everyone talks about. The ones that actually work, that real people use, and that will hand you back a meaningful chunk of your week. No PhD required, no subscription to 17 newsletters, just 5 tools, what they do, and how to actually use them. Let's go. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Yes, I know, you've heard of it. You might even use it. But here's the thing. Most people are using it like a fancier Google search. Type a question, get an answer, close the tab. That's like buying a Swiss Army knife and only using it to open beer bottles. The real power is in prompting it like a collaborator, not a search engine. Tell it your role. Tell it the output you need. Give it context. I'm a project manager. Write me a weekly status update email for a delayed software project. The delay is 2 weeks. Tone should be calm and professional. Boom. Done in 4 seconds. What would have taken you 20 minutes of staring at a blank email? Use it for emails, summaries, first drafts, brainstorming, research outlines, and rewriting anything you wrote that sounds terrible. Time saved per week, 2 to 4 hours, conservatively. Tool number 2, Otter.ai. If you are still taking notes in meetings by hand, or worse, trying to remember what was said, this is the tool that's going to make you feel like you've been living in the dark ages. Otter records your meetings and transcribes them in real time. And not just transcribes, it pulls out action items, summaries, and key points automatically. You can connect it to Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. It just shows up, takes notes, and sends you a summary when the meeting ends. You know that feeling after a 2-hour meeting where you have 3 words written down and a headache? Otter fixes that. Free tier gets you 600 minutes a month. That's a lot of meetings. Time saved per week. 1 to 3 hours, depending on how many meetings you survive. Tool number 3, Notion AI. If you already use Notion, this is a no-brainer. If you don't use Notion, this might be the reason to start. Notion AI sits inside your workspace and can summarize pages, generate content, translate documents, fix your writing, and pull answers from your own notes. That last part is the killer feature. You can ask it questions like, "What did we decide about the Q2 marketing budget?" And it will search your actual workspace and tell you. Think of it as a brain assistant that actually reads all your documents and remembers them. Unlike certain team members I could name. It's $10 a month on top of your Notion plan. For most people, it pays for itself in the first week. Time saved per week, 1 to 2 hours on documentation and knowledge retrieval alone. Tool number 4, Canva AI. I know what some of you are thinking. Canva is for people who can't use Photoshop. That's correct. And those people are finishing their designs while the Photoshop crowd is still adjusting layer masks. Canva's AI features, Magic Design, Magic Write, and the background remover, let you go from 0 to finished graphic in about 4 minutes. You need a thumbnail, a slide deck, a social post? Type what you want, pick a template, swap your text and logo, done. The AI design generator will build you a starting layout from a text prompt. It's not perfect, but it gets you 80% of the way there, which is the part that used to take 2 hours. Pro plan is around $15 a month. Free tier is genuinely useful. Time saved per week, 1 to 3 hours on visual content, depending on how much you make. Tool number 5, and this one's the one most people sleep on. Make.com. Make is an automation platform. It connects your apps and makes them talk to each other, without you having to be in the middle. Here's an example. Every time someone fills out a contact form on your website, Make automatically adds them to your email list, sends them a welcome email, creates a task in your project management app, and logs it in a spreadsheet. You set that up once. It runs forever. You never touch it again. No coding required. You build workflows visually. Drag, drop, connect. The free tier gives you 1,000 operations a month, which is enough to automate a surprising amount of your life. If you've ever thought, I wish this app would automatically do that thing when this other thing happens, Make is the answer. Time saved per week, 1 to 5 hours, depending on how many repetitive tasks you have, which, if you're a normal human running anything, is a lot. So there it is. 5 tools: ChatGPT, Otter.ai, Notion AI, Canva, and Make.com. If you use all 5, you are looking at 8 to 15 hours a week back in your pocket. That's not a miracle. That's just not doing things the hard way when the easy way exists. Links to all 5 are in the description. No affiliate deals, no sponsored content, just tools that work. If this saved you some time, or at least made you feel better about the time you're currently wasting, hit subscribe. I put out videos like this every week, and I promise I will never waste your time with fluff. See you in the next one.